Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we're at area 15. We have some construction updates and all that, so without further ado, guys, let's get this video going. Sorry guys, I know you guys like me just recording myself to making the vlogs, the videos and all that, but I will tell you guys, it's much better that I show you guys where I'm at first before for these construction updates. So yeah, if you guys do get upset with me doing anything like that, I apologize. It's just I prefer doing it in my own world. So yeah, but without further ado though, guys, let's start up the construction updates of Area 15 District 2. Do also want to let you guys know this is the last time that I am going to say District 3 rumors. That's why they said hey. But this is the last one you guys are going to see till Thursday. So yeah, unless I can get one of my other friends to record, but fortunately Saturdays are when they're usually calm. But so here's a quick construction update for this thing. That's just for the bathrooms. No other thing is going to be built right there. So for those who ask why I don't cover that, nothing's really been nothing's in there besides those bathrooms. So just want to give you guys that information. But yeah, guys, this is what I'm talking about. Right around here, you guys get to see that these are part of the stuff that can open. But yeah, so we're gonna flip flop right here. As usual, guys, there's no progress on Dolls Kill or even Hell. No, Chill Daddy. I thought today was the day that we're gonna see the walls being taken out, but fortunately, nope. I think they still have probably stuff they need to finalize and just gather up some stuff. So yeah, that's not good. I'm just kidding, guys. It's gonna take a while for Nacho Daddy to probably open up because they have a lot of projects they also have to worry about too, guys. So yeah. Another thing too, guys, is this this part is still in works. It's still blocked off. So yeah. Without trying to record these people, let's see. Here. Still no update of if they're gonna build a window right there. But yeah, right there. We are looking inside of a new thing. I don't know what it could be. Oh my god, there is the progress. But we'll see. Alrighty, guys. So I don't want to spoil way too much, but look at that though. There is a lot of unique parts for that construction right there. But though, guys, I don't want to spoil way too much because yeah, I get to see a lot of it. But yeah, Museum Ice Cream might be opening up way sooner than one of things. Yeah. Oh my god. So for those who do not know, by the way, this is the one in New York. They have one in New York. Now I get to say they have one in Vegas, which it is the bonus. I am looking at something that looks so cool, guys, but we gotta wait. But also, by the way, too, it looks like she is the girl or whoever from yesterday's video is currently working on the other thing. But yeah, oh my god, guys. Glad I just came here through. Guys, we just got our first ride test the of the ride. Oh my fucking god, that was worth it. I'm so glad I got to sit here. But yes, guys, the official testing of the rumor eye drop just finally was testing, because yes, guys, for those who do not know, they have to test it. Otherwise, it will not be able to play. But yeah, as you guys saw though, yes, it's first ever ride exclusive right here. So yeah, that's very exciting though. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, I can't tell you guys how badly that excites me. Those seats right there though, right in front, let's see if I can get you guys a close look without trying to get the workers. The person I don't really mind, but as you guys can see, look, those seats right there makes me more nervous because they look like they're tilting. But we'll see when it happens though. But yeah, that's a lot of excitement though, guys. I went from filming it to a little bit of the start to now the beginning of the drop tower ride. But yeah, this is so exciting though, guys. The rumored drop tower ride that everyone was talking about, now it's official. I'm so excited though, guys. But yeah, you guys get to see a little drop tower ride right here. And then, here you go, guys. Hell yeah, guys. When I say this right now, guys, this video just said to you guys, let's watch this. But yeah, guys, they do have to test a lot, so that's why you guys get those type of videos and all that. So yeah. Oh no, mighty guys. It actually looks pretty, but yeah. Guys, whatever you guys do not touch it. Because the girl did work her living head out to make it perfect. So yeah. I'm trying not to reveal you guys because today is honestly a good day for it. But yeah, pretty soon, oh, there he goes. Pretty soon though, guys, Area 15 is growing its way. But, you know what, guys? I gotta reveal you the best part of it also. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Wow, that looks so pretty. I'm not gonna go too close to the window, guys, because I don't want to get in trouble and all that. But yeah, it looks so pretty. A donut shop and a beignet shop. You guys want to go see it? Your guys' opportunity is happening. But yeah, it looks so good. But yeah, though, I am so excited for Area 15. But yeah, though, guys, St. Arnold's donut shop gonna be opening up soon. With also that, it looks like these two are gonna be opening pretty soon. And then Museum Ice Cream, a project that looks like it's gonna open up too. I am very excited for Area 15's future. So yeah. Alright, so when we get something new for Horror Unleashed, I mean, shoot, we're about to have a drop tower ride, which we'll do one more last time, guys, and then I have to go. Oh. Uh-oh. What's gonna happen? Ready? Whee! Uh-oh. Oh my god, guys. I'm telling you, you guys have to stay patient now. Because, Jesus freaking Christ. That drop tower ride is going to be so amazing. And speaking of which, though, too, guys, it was a little bit of work that I was hearing in the plane sometimes, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, off to here to walk back now to it. Uh-oh, guys. I know I told you guys one more, but it's literally right in front of me. Alright. Alright, are you guys ready? Uh-oh. So goddamn awesome, guys. I can't wait. Alright, before I go, Dolls Kills. Notre Daddy. Just listen to what I'm about to cook with you guys. Can you guys open up your stuff, please? Besides Dolls Kills. I don't really care about Dolls Kills that much. But come on, man. I want it to open up now. Notre Daddy, so we can start eating there. Probably like basically after work. But yeah. We are about to leave, guys, but you got to see this building. Get to see this building for one last time. So yeah, without further ado, guys, well, let's give you an outro because you guys are probably sad that I'm ending this. Alrighty, guys, so I'm ending it off right here with the Horror Unleashed saying thank you guys so much for enjoying this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys hit that like button. As always, make sure you guys subscribe. And please, guys, turn on those notifications so that way you guys don't miss any videos. Yep, I hope you guys do have a wonderful evening and whatever it is. If I might come back on Monday to see any updates, but we'll see. But yeah, ride testing has begun. Oh yeah, but as always, guys, thank you guys so much, and hope you guys do have a wonderful day, whatever it is. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Stay awesome. I love you. Peace on out.